Alrighty guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a new trending game called Archero. Here it is right here on Google Play. When we scroll down here, we can see it's got 4.5 stars out of 5, so that's why I want to take a look at it. It's been installed quite a few times, 1 million plus downloads right there, we can see there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it, play it, and review it real quick. Made by Habby. Loading up. Here we go. Alright. So here we are. We're in a place called Verdant Prairie. So let's go ahead and play. Entering the world. Okay, so the way this one works is all you do is use this joystick here to run around. And you go through these doors, as you can see. And it shoots automatically for you. You just got to move around. As soon as you stop moving around is when it shoots the arrows. Let's move around some more. It's pretty fun. It's a good time killer. I like it so far. Oh shoot, you got to move out of the way though. You got to stop to shoot, but then you got to move out of the way as well. So it starts to get a little more tricky here. So here we go. Oh shoot, these guys are moving fast. Oh shoot, crap! Shoot them, shoot them. Starts to get a little more complicated. Alright, select a new ability. Let's get a shield. I think we need a shield, man, because you saw how I got surrounded there for a bit. So let's see how this will work better. Oh shoot. Now I don't know if right here is my health. Yep, that was my health. Yep. So you start off with 100. Let's revive for 30 gems here. Although I don't want to use those gems too much, guys, but that's what I'm going to have to do for now. So far, I like this game. Looks like we have a boss here, I think. Let's see. Oh, it's an angel. Choose a blessing. Heal. We need... Actually, no, that's not what we needed. We needed something else. It's alright, though. Alright, here we go. Oh, man. What the heck's going on? So I recommend you move a lot in this game. Just keep moving around, you should be fine. Oh shoot, I got hit once. Oh. I keep getting hit. There we go. Oh man. Oh, there's one guy left. There we go. Man, I don't got much health, man. I need one of those angels again to appear. Oh. You gotta move out of the way. Alright. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Takes a while. New ability. Let's try that smart thing. Let's see what that does. Alright. Let's keep going. Oh shoot. Oh man, this is hard. Whoa. Pretty fun game. I see how this could be a good time killer. If you're at lunch, at work, or a break, this will be perfect. Cool. Alright. Gotta walk around here. Get in here. Oh man, I got killed. Alright, not bad. Not bad. I like the game. It's pretty cool, guys. I recommend it. So that's it for the game. Let's go ahead and review this game. Now I didn't see no ads pop up, not right off the bat. So I like that. With these free games, sometimes you have these ads popping up all over the dang place. It sometimes messes up with the gameplay, like the Spider-Man Grand Theft Auto stick figure game that we reviewed the other day, man. It had that ad right on top, and it just kept getting in the way. But not this one. I liked it. I'm gonna go ahead and review it 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. Not bad. I like the game, guys. I recommend it if you're gonna be, you know, bored during a break or at lunch. You know, you're trying to kill some time. I recommend it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you soon in one of my next videos.